Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek. Today we're going to talk about the dealership. There's a few things that make us different from the dealer, a few things that make each one of us different in our own unique way, and different things that we can do to help you keep your vehicle in the best condition possible. Well, the dealership may actually be able to provide a couple of things that your independent mechanic may not. For instance, some vehicle keys can only be cut and programmed at a dealership, and some vehicle computer modules can only be programmed at a dealership. However, beyond those basic componentries that are unique and specific to their programming rights, the majority of other service can be completed here at Autotek by your local mechanic. There's a few things that we can offer you that your dealership can't. We can offer you that the same service writer and the same technician are going to talk to you about your vehicle every time you come in. We can offer you the ability to service multiple makes and models, no matter where in the world they're from or where their parts may need to be sourced from. As you see around me in the shop, we have vehicles from around the world, not just one country, one make, or one manufacturer. We can guarantee you the best price. We can source from multiple manufacturers. We can world source your part to make sure that you're getting the best component that you need for your vehicle. And we can give you multiple options, whether you need the affordable solution, the best, longest lasting goal, or what's the strongest componentry on the road. Whatever you need to keep your vehicle running and keep it in check, we can provide a multitude of answers to your questions. We are your one-stop auto repair shop. Whether it needs a detail or it needs an engine overhaul, we've got your back at Saul's Autotek. If you're looking for the dealership because you think you need something specific, give us a call here first. We've got your answers, and we can answer all your automotive needs. 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Here in South Denver at 303-919-7769.